Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely want to keep up with any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.25. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 2.22%. This translates to an average return of 0.14% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 9.59% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 4.04% to 13.15%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of around 26.04% over the next year, with possible returns between 15.98% and 35.44%. This would imply a price range between $580.09 and $677.42 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 0.96% on Tuesday. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.96% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, rising from $495.40 to $500.16. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.52%, with a day low of $493.85 and a day high of $501.35. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and has increased by 1.9% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 25 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $346.63. Currently, the price is 0.67%, or $3.36, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Investments in generative artificial intelligence have surged in the year 2024, indicating a strong market interest that can enhance the growth of the technology sector. This particularly impacts exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, like QQQ, which are heavily weighted towards technology. As large firms and venture capitalists funnel record amounts into this area, it could lead to increased valuations for technology stocks, positively influencing QQQ's price in the short term. Furthermore, the ongoing earnings season, especially within the technology sector, is crucial. Strong results from major technology companies could provide a significant boost to QQQ in the near future, potentially attracting more investors. On the other hand, concerns about overvaluation are growing. Strategists note that while QQQ's growth rate is impressive, it is nearing the peak of its cycle. This may deter some investors who fear a correction, which could exert pressure on the ETF's price over time. Investment moves by billionaires, such as Ken Griffin's 84% increase in his position in QQ, also signal confidence from large investors. Such endorsements can create a ripple effect, drawing in retail investors and further supporting the ETF's price. Overall, while the immediate outlook appears favorable, with strong interest and the potential for solid earnings, investors should remain cautious about valuation risks that could emerge in the long term. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. The QQQ Exchange Traded Fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected from the levels at $494.71 and $486.58. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far, the price has appreciated by 11.47%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 38 days ago. Bollinger Bands point to a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 33 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average has provided a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 236 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. In general, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. During the last day, the fund moved $7.50 between high and low, or 1.52%. For the last week, the exchange-traded fund has had a daily average volatility of 1.20%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important indicator measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could suggest a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock may be undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $481.15, reflecting a decrease of 3.8%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which contributes to its low-risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 37 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $1.71, starting at $498.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.